Happy Halloween! Today's video we are going to make this Happy Halloween banner. Very easy. And this is also the first time I made this one. So I'm sure that you can also do this. You can also change the color. You can make the orange letters and background is black. You can reverse it. We need orange and black cartolina paper. But you can also use colored paper, a band paper, scissor, ruler, pencil, and a ribbon. Height is 12 cm and width is 9 cm. Cut this out. This will be the size of our letter cutting. And we are going to trace it here. Let's cut this. And let's put it here and cut. Then let's cut it here. There. Let's start with letter H. We are just going to fold it like this. And then like this. Let's cut from here like that and here, okay, and like this, and like this. Let's open it, and here you go, letter H. Next is letter A. Let's just fold it like this. And just like what we did, we are just going to make a bit of a curve. Just cut it like this, a slant. And let's make here a little bit like that. And cut here. And then let's rotate it. And let's make here like that. Then like this. And that's letter A. And then we are going to make the letter P. Let's also cut a little curve like that. And then turn it over. And also here, a little curve. Now we are going to fold this like that and cut it like this, and then we are going to cut in the middle like this. Here you go. Then Y, I fold it like this, a little curve, and going there with a little bit like that too, and let's put a curve here too, and then like this. It's gonna be smaller, I think. There. Y. Happy. Now let's make the Halloween. We did H again. A nice curve and a small curve here and a curve here, see, very easy. H, a letter A, we're just going to fold it like that, and let's make a little curve here and like this, and then let's cut it out going there at the edge, and for the end just slide a little. Now here we are also going to do a nice curve here. This will be different than the first one, like that. This is gonna be bigger. Cut And like this. And ta-da! A. And then letter L. We need two letter L, so let's put these two paper together. Let's just make a little curve here too. And a little curve here. Like this. Also here at the other side, let's cut a curve. And here at the top. For letter O, let's fold like this and like this. Let's do a letter O. Then let's cut inside that. See? Hollow. Now is W. Let's also fold it like this. And a curve going here at the edge. And then also here, a little curve like that. And like this, I think. And let's also make a little curve here. And cut it like this. From here. And it's W. Ooh. I didn't think I can do that. Then E. We need also two E's. This doesn't need to be perfect, so don't worry. If you are wrong, you can just repeat it. Going to fold it like this. I'm just using my imagination to make the letter. Let's cut it like this, I guess. And down. Like that. And the curve here. And also here. Oh, it's gonna be small. Let's see. Letter E. Ooh, that works well. Now we just need the letter N. Let's also cut curve here. And here. There you go. And other side. It's not rotated. There you go. I think that works. I didn't see that coming. There, Halloween. Remember guys, it doesn't need to be perfect. This is the first time I made this design of letter cutting and it works well. Let's make the banner. We are also going to estimate the size. Let's say 15 centimeter. Height is 18. Let's cut this out. And then let's fold it like this. And like this. And then, just like what we did in the letters, we are just going to cut a curve like that. And like this, I think. And like this. A nice also curve here. Let's see what will happen to this. Just like that. Let's open it. Ta-da! Looks good. Now let's get our orange cartolina or colored paper. Let's fold it. And we are just going to trace this. There you go. And cut this out. I cut 14 pieces of this. And now we are going to glue the letters into this. Let's start with letter H. I'm going to use glue gun. And this is the easiest way to glue using glue gun. Just turn it over and apply the glue on the letters. And then, like that. Another side. There you go. H. Now the letter A. Okay. There you go. It's done. Now we are going to put a hole. Okay. There. Now we need the ribbon. And just put it inside there. And here. Like that. And here. This is happy. And then we will separate the Halloween.